The best marketing tagline in movie history might have been from the Ridley Scott film Alien. In space, no one can hear you scream. That phrase is true. And not only because of the distance from Earth, it has to do with how sound travels.
You don't have sound in space because sound requires molecules. You have to be able to move the molecules with the sound waves, and without the molecules there, the sound just doesn't move.
Space is silent because it's virtually empty. As few as 10 atoms in a cubic meter, compared to 10 trillion in our own atmosphere. And without that thick soup of atoms, sound just has no way to travel. But billions of years ago, it was a different story.